So to book EAL support, you can go to the calendar page. So go to my apps, and I go to the calendar, and then it's showing my current calendar, but I'm going to look for Dugan's calendar. So I go to add coworker's calendar and I start typing in his name, and it comes up. So I add his calendar. And now you notice that it is color coded his calendar as brown. And if I would like help, let's say fourth period on Thursday, I'll get rid of my calendar so it's easier for you to see. So I need help fourth period on Thursday. I can click this, and this is where you have to go to this calendar's appointment page right here. And then again, you click fourth period on Thursday under the appointment page. Now you might have an appointment over it. This is coming from my calendar. So if you already have something listed on your schedule, it might show that overlay. But the gray one is what you want to do. So I click on this. Now it's showing Dugan on his end, period 4 at 11:30, and it's showing who's booking him. I will put my room number, and then I would like to say what I'd like to do with him. So I'm going to say co-planning for science lesson. Get a hyphen in there. Co-planning for science lesson. Then I save it. Now if I go back to Dugan's calendar and I refresh it, so on Thursday you'll notice that now it is showing that I'm with him, and this is booked, so no one else will double book it. If you have a specific question about how to book Dugan or me, please come find us or shoot us an email and we can help you. But this is how we would request that you ask for our help. All right. Thank you.